You won't go to jail right away for not filing taxes, so you have a point there. But there are other consequences that you'll have to face. So let me go through those right now. The people that really see jail time for not filing their taxes are people that are dealing with a large amount of money, that are trying to fraud the government, maybe by hiding their money or not filing at all for a very long period of time. But the general public, for not filing, and maybe you have a regular job, W-2, 1099, and making, a nominal amount, you're not going to go to jail. But what will happen is that maybe you're due a refund, and if you don't file your taxes for 3 years or more, then you're going to lose that refund. What will also happen if you don't file is that you may have a hard time getting an apartment, getting a bank loan, buying a home, a mortgage. And then the other part is, if you are owing money on your tax returns, then IRS will send you a bill eventually a few years later, 3, 4 years down the line, with a bill with penalties and interest. And I mentioned previously, there is something called a substitute tax return, where if you don't file for extended period of time, I'm talking about 5+ years, the IRS will just file a tax return for you with no deductions, no dependents, just plain Jane, the worst scenario that you can have, and they'll just send you that tax return with taxes owed. Nobody wants a scenario where the IRS files for you without looking in your best interest. So you want to file it on your own and get ahead before they file a substitute tax return. And after they file a substitute tax return and you take no action, then they can come after your paycheck, they can come after your bank accounts, levy your assets, and other things.